Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing Jessica Rabbit for my look. I have already done my base and my brows and some of my contour, but I'm super excited about this one. This is a part of my 31 days of Halloween. Make sure you're checking them all out on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So I have already primed my face, done my foundation, concealer, contour, brows. I've primed my eyes. I primed them in my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. You guys already know that's one of my favorites. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to finish my contour. I'm going to darken it up with this dark contour right here. And I'm just going to hit my forehead and my cheeks with that one. Next, I'm going to do my cheeks, and I'm using the Milani Beige Powder Blush in Dolce Pink. It's actually really pretty. It's kind of sparkly, and I really like it, actually. For Jessica Rabbit, you want to get it right on your cheekbones, so make sure you nice and smile. Girl, you know you love me. I love... Never mind. Cheeks are all done. I'm adorable. I'm actually going to use the Revolution Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter for my highlight. I'm just going to do my cheeks for now. Okay, our highlight is all done. Our contouring is done. Our blush is done. Let's move on to eyes. So, first I'm going to line my bottom waterline in white. And I am just using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to do that. It's so stark. Okay, now we are going to go into this Smokey palette, and we are going to use that purple from that palette to do your crease, and then we will move on from that. And I'm gonna do like a smoky eye version of it instead of just the half circle that she has. So I'm going to point mine towards the edge of my eyebrow, so it's going to be more of kind of a wing. Okay, once you have that shape defined, you can make that purple as dark as you want. I suggest keeping it kind of light because that'll be your transition color for the next color that we're using. And the next color that we are using is from that Urban Decay Nocturnal Shadow Box, and we are going to use that purple in there. And this purple, you're going to put it on the outside corner and blend it out to that peak, and then blend it into the crease, because I think we're going to do a cut crease with a white. So, here we go. let's cut the crease. I'm going to be using that same concealer that I used earlier. It's the Revolution Conceal and Define. So let's do this. And I'm just going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to wet this down with the Urban Decay Deep Slick. And we are going to dip into that white from the Smokey palette. There is that. And because we know Jessica Rabbit is extra and we know I'm extra, so let's get glittery. We're gonna add this NYX glitter, and this one is the 05, the metallic 05. I'm gonna hate myself, but we're gonna do it anyway. And I'm also going to set down some glitter primer by NYX as well. And we are just doing that glitter on top of that white. I love glitter. Okay, so for our highlight, we are going into the Becca Ocean Jewels highlighter palette, and we are going to use this middle white one right here. Do your inner corner and your brow bone. Okay, now we're gonna do some liner. We're gonna do Kat Von D's ink liner, and I'm gonna do a wing. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Okay. So now we are going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Nocturnal palette, and we are going to use that purple again. And first I'm going to connect the lash, the upper to the bottom with that purple. And then I'm going to take the Smokey palette and I'm going to go back into that purple and smoke out the bottom lash line. And I'm going to take the black in the Nocturnal palette and just connect our liner with our lower lash line. Okay, now mascara and eyelashes. I'm going to do those off camera really quick and I'll be right back. Lashes and mascara are done. Now I'm going to do my lipstick. I'm sure you guys already know what I'm gonna do. A red lip, but I'm doing Kat Von D's Everlasting Lip Liner. and lipstick in Outlaw, because this is what I have. So this is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be nice and voluptuous. Okay, now I'm going to take some concealer to clean up my edges a little bit. And give me 1 second, and I will be right back. And there you guys go. I am all done. I am Jessica Rabbit without the red dress. So I have this purple one that I'm wearing. And here we go. Here is your beautiful Jessica Rabbit. I wish I remembered her song from Who Framed Mr. Rabbit, but I don't. So here it is. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check out my Instagram channel. The tag is down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure you tune in for next week. October is halfway done, but I'm nowhere close to being done. So make sure you stay tuned. Bye!